everybody, Vichy right here. This is update, I forget, 10 maybe, of my 737. And I haven't done anything on it. I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing right now. So, a few days ago I was looking at this and said, the front was actually a little higher up than the back, so it looked like it was sort of taking off, which we don't want. So, as you can see, these wheels right there, I put them one stud higher, so now they can be in line with these wheels. And this was a very complicated process flipping it over. It's way easier to flip it over than this one because it's more sturdy, but it is still complicated. You have to take away a bunch of stuff, and as you can see, it's bending a little right there, but anyway, I'm still waiting for the slopes to go on the roof. Those should arrive soon, just to go like right there, like all along there. But yeah, well, yeah, thanks for watching, and make sure to check out my website, link in the description. But anyway, like, comment, and subscribe, and bye for now.